For those of you who are getting into gardening, one of the things that you're going to want to use is a trowel. This is a piece of equipment that you're going to use over and over. As you can see here, there are any number of trowels that you can choose. So what you need to do is just go in and handle it and decide what's going to work for you. For those of us who have been in gardening for a while, this is your old-fashioned trowel. It's relatively heavy and strong, good for digging. It has a hard handle. If you get arthritis like I have, one of the things that I've done is I've taken this piece of pipe wrap and I've wrapped it around, tape it, and it makes the grip much easier. So what it does is widen your grip and soften it, so it makes it easy to use. So that's one. This one, I like this one because it has the same features of the other trowel, but it is super, I can't really tell you on film, but it's super light. This trowel has a number of things that you can use. It's a regular trowel. It also has markings if you're planting bulbs or something where you have to be specific. So it helps you to get the depth correct. And the other thing is that it has this serrated edge. So if you're digging out plants and you want to separate them, you can use this serrated edge as a knife and cut it. And these are for people who have more difficulty and need more ergonomic equipment, and this is easier to use. So anytime that you are going to look for a piece of equipment, check it out in the store and find out what works for you.